Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would change your cabin air filter in a 2012 Toyota Camry. So this is your glove box. You just got to open up the glove box, and then right in here, probably have to remove stuff out of your glove box if you've got a bunch of stuff in here, but you got a little panel here that covers your cabin air filter. So you're going to just remove this tab, remove that, uncover the panel, and then you've got another set of tab and cover back here to squeeze and pull out. And there we have access to the cabin air filter. And then just going to pull the old one out. Get your new one. Make sure you match your airflow arrows on it. And the airflow goes down. Put the new one in. Then just take the cover. Snap it back into place. And then this cover, same thing. Snap it all back into place. Then you can put what you want back in your glove box, close it up. That's how you change your cabin air filter in your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can become the mechanic.